So, boys and girls, again, this year you will have expectations for your online classroom, for students, and for parents. Remember, your online virtual academy class is just like your in person, face to face class with your teacher at the school. So, a lot of the same rules will still apply. The first one is be on time. It is very important that you arrive on time. And we all understand that things occur and will happen. But as best as you can, please arrive on time. If you do have to arrive later, be sure that when you log into the classroom, that you mute your microphone right away, and your classroom teacher, as soon as she gets an opportunity, will catch you up with the rest of the class. Turn off the TV, find a quiet space free of distractions. Mute your microphone, sit down quietly with your eyes on the camera, listen closely and follow directions. Raise your hand to speak. Do not eat while having a meeting. Do not walk, run, jump around. Do not play with your toys while having a meeting. You will be given opportunities for breaks, for bathroom, and for water. You will be given opportunities for those things. And you will have opportunity for lunch and for recess. So while we are in class, please do not eat in the classroom while we're having a meeting. We will see you soon. Bye.